Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at some fridge and Miele fridge and Miele freezers temperature sensors and how to replace them. So usually got two options. Some of the sensor, if you order them, they come as a specific sensor to the specific model, but they, on the end of the sensor, you have a special coded plug. So the problem with this solution is you have to feed the sensor all the way from where the sensor is into the electronic. So in most cases, you have to either pull the appliance out, or worst case scenario, if the machine is built in, you have to uninstall the machine and then feed the sensor all the way through. So it might become even a few hours job. So if that's not an option, in most cases these days, you can order repair kit. Again, some of the repair kits, they've got the different part numbers. We're looking today on part number 11, 19, 38, 10. But again, I'll show you in a minute on the screen, depending on the model, which repair kit it's suitable for your fridge. Okay, let's head to Miele website. I am based in UK, so it's gonna be UK website. Straight to support. Spare parts. And full spare parts catalog. For our example, we will take KFN 37692. It's a fridge freezer. Here we go, the pictures with the electronics. This is our sensor. If you click on it, there you go. Exactly comes with the part number we actually have on the video. So most of the appliances, they will be coming with a repair kit anyway. So it's going to be much easier for you to change repair kit rather than the whole sensor. So let's go back to the sensor and let's connect it properly. So what's the advantage of this repair kit? So the advantage of this repair kit is you can literally just cut the cable inside the appliance just right next to the sensor and join with this conversion kit inside the appliance. Obviously the cable has to be hidden somewhere behind the cover, but that conversion kit, it's in that connection junction box actually. That junction box, it's not waterproof, but it's water resistant, so it's allowed to go inside the appliance. So let's unpack the kit and see what we have in the kit. Got the instruction. Well, in this case, we're not gonna need it because I'll show you what to do. For some of the models, you got the aluminum foil. In our case, we're not gonna need it, but in some cases you might need it. And we got our sensor. The cable is very long. You're probably not gonna need that much. You can just cut the slack off. And then we got the box, two connectors, and the sensor. So let's get some tools. You're not gonna need many tools. All you're gonna need is a pair of pliers and side cutters. So let's do it. Get the box, insert the seal. There you go. Push the cable through. There you go. One side. Second side. And now we need to take those connectors and obviously join blue to blue, brown to brown. You want to push the cable all the way through. All the way. Okay. Now you have pretty much only one shot. When you squeeze the orange button, you cannot undo it. So make sure the cable is all the way down. Now, when you squeeze the orange button, there will be, you might see it, some sticky substance or sticky jelly coming out of the two little holes. There you go, that's the sealant. And same thing for the blue. Push all the way through. And squeeze it. There you go, the liquid is, the substance is coming out. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. That's how they should go. It should look like that. Put the cover on. Clip it back in. And your connection is done. Actually, I forgot to mention, there is actually a guide exactly how much cable to cut on the covers. So rather than measure it, you can actually take this from the guide. So this is our joint. Like I said before, this can go inside the appliance, saves you a lot of time to pulling the appliance out, feeding the cable through the whole appliance, and it's safe to be inside the appliance. So that's good. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the multimeter and just make sure we actually had a good connection, just to prevent any fault messages. There you go. It's about 5 kilo ohms, and that's how much should be. So that's great. The connection is successful, and again, that should save you a lot of time. So yeah, don't forget to like and follow, as this allow me grow this channel, and I see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.